Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save or export text in Fixy AI. First, make sure that you have downloaded this app, and after that click on the search bar and type in Fixy. Now click on this Fixy logo here. After that you can see different options here on Fixy. If you want to paraphrase your text, you can click on this writer option. If you want to correct grammar or punctuations, you can click on this corrector option. And if you want to translate your text, you can click on this translator. Now to save or export any text, first type in the text in this field, or you can simply copy the text and paste it here. After that click on this correct button. Now to save or export your corrected version text, click on this sign here. Now you can see different options here, and if you want to export this text to any social media, you can click on the respective button here. If you want to copy this text and paste it on the required field, then click on this button here. So this is how you can save or export text in Fixy AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.